Hi, and welcome to sixth grade science. My name is Mr. Kelly, and I know for many of you this is the first time over the past couple days that you have entered into Chaminade's halls and have gotten a chance to meet some of your new classmates. This is a different school year, I know, and some of you guys may even be watching this from home, not having met any of those students. Regardless of what the situation is, or if you're a student who maybe has siblings or a family member who is an alumni, regardless of what the situation is, I know that this is going to be a fun and exciting school year. And I'm really looking forward to teaching you. A little bit about me. So like I said, my name is Mr. Kelly. This is my 8th year teaching at Chaminade. And prior to that, I worked as a graduate student down at Arkansas State University, where I studied turtles and turtle conservation. So feel free to talk to me about turtles anytime, and I apologize if I talk your ear off about them. Prior to that, I was working as a zookeeper at the St. Louis Zoo, where I worked with camels, giraffes, zebras, and elephants and rhinos and hippos. I did that for several years, and then prior to that, I also worked I was in school at St. Louis University, for a biology degree there. All this hopefully shows you that I really, really like learning about living things, and I really like getting to teach about biology now. And I can draw on a lot of those experiences that I've had over the years taking care of a variety of animals. I know that all may seem a little bit ironic with an elk right next to me, but we'll get to talk about that story a little bit in class as well. For all of these topics that we're going to discuss this year, as I said, we're going to learn about living things and the 5 kingdom model. So we're going to learn about bacteria and fungi, plants, animals, and protists. We're also going to learn about ecosystems. We're going to learn about how organisms impact ecosystems. We're going to learn about how humans impact ecosystems and how all of these things combine together to give us the picture of Earth that we have right now. For 6th grade science, as I mentioned before, this is my 8th year teaching here, but each year I've taught 6th grade biology. And as a result, I'm really excited to get to do that again this year, and I always love working with 6th graders. For the school year, I also wanted to go through really quickly how you can get in contact with me if you're a parent watching this or if you're a student watching this. So on my main page of Canvas, there's a way to click on Contact Teacher. There's also a way to click on Synchronous Learning. For a student who's trying to sign in and meet up with me for class for Zoom, you're going to click on the Synchronous Learning button, and this is going to lead you into my Zoom meeting, whatever that Zoom meeting might be for. So if you have any particular day that I say you need to be on Zoom at this time, just click on the Synchronous Learning button, and that'll lead you right into the waiting room of my Zoom meeting. But if you're a parent or a student trying to get a hold of me, this is one good way to find some of that information if you're struggling to remember how to do that. My classroom is MS3 if we get a chance to have a face-to-face meeting. My email, jkelly@chaminade-stl.org, and my phone number along with the extension. Feel free to leave a message there. I do get a copy of the message in my email, so more than welcome to leave a message there, or like I said, you can shoot me an email. And then also, if you need to set up a personal Zoom meeting to discuss anything going on, feel free to do that. I would suggest emailing me ahead of time so we can set up a time to meet, and we can go from there. So that's a little bit about my contact information and a little bit about me. And overall, I just wanted to say thank you so much for choosing Chaminade. I'm really excited to get to teach your son. I'm really excited to get to have him be a part of Chaminade community and our 6th grade team. I know he's going to have a very good time here. And as a 6th grade student, talking to you, I'm really excited to get to teach you. Thank you for putting in your time and effort this year to learn about the life sciences. Thank you for taking a chance to get to know some of your new Chaminade students in a new school. I know it's going to be an exciting year. It might present some new challenges, but I know that we're going to have a really great school year. Thanks again. Welcome to Chaminade, and I will see you guys in class soon.